hello, Marisa.
Hello, Marisa.
Hello. We're sailing. We haven't tipped as much as I did last time, though. We're like at 60 degrees. Vertical. Oh, yeah, show more in the video. It's okay for tipping. Oh. Like this all the way up here for the counterweight. What? Well, I have to walk my head to this thing, so I'm going to we're even close to having this. We're over by Richmond. No, that was going pretty good.
Hello, Marisa.
I don't really know what I'm doing now. Saw this guy, he's the captain. Are you the captain or is Aaron the captain?
Aaron is the skipper. I'm the helper.
Oh.
You have to have one captain. Or no, they have to officially assign Aaron to the captain. Well, Aaron is technically the main member of the club. I'm his shipmate.
Pretty close to the water there on one side.
So he's the one that's liable if anything happens.
These old ships.
Yeah, they're being defended right now. So you can see.
Oh. Huh. Is this a World War II ship? Like a Liberty ship, or is it a... It looks like a freighter, right? This is where they built like 70% of the Liberty ships. Was in Richmond, yeah.
Yeah, now you can see it.
Yeah.
Get out of their way.
Shift again.
The outboard motor is longer than it's supposed to be. However, it's cool enough to do. But considering the wind, it's probably okay to not just like sure what he
Which boat? Nothing. Yeah?
Are you still paying attention? Congratulations if you're still watching. Sounds like
Maybe later on we'll have a more exciting, almost in the water video.